Pretty exciting stuff here.
Body level. Going up.
Oh,
You know what this used to be?
yeah, I can see what this used to be.
Well, yeah, you can see what it used to be.
Yeah.
Eighth floor.
Go to the lobby. And knock my phone out of my hands in the process. Get a view. Mind keep peeling back that the curtain.
Yeah.
Yeah, just it's got like a faux marble interior, or maybe it's actual marble.
I think this is a service car. I would try to get a different car.
Yeah. Oh, we will.
Body level.
I mean, this is inappropriate for a service car, but
Yeah. Just the size of a regular elevator. Yep, there's our cab. See, and this one actually says Otis. Let's get 8.
yeah, this is much nicer.
Eighth floor.
Oh, okay then.
Interesting.
All right.
I was gonna say this runs about the same.
And something tells me this is not the first mod that these have gotten.
Yeah.
Body level.
Anyway, it's like a 50-year-old Class A office building, so.
Yeah, let's see if we can. Oh, okay. The other one came back down on its own.
Okay, let's see if we can be successful in getting this one, or if it's broken.
No,
Oh, there it goes.
it's a bizarre controller.
Yeah, it took more effort than I care to admit to actually get this one to come to us. First, it wanted to send the service car again, and it recalled that one to the first floor.
Looks like there's been some water damage here. Oh, look at the carpet.
Yeah, speaking of,
That's lovely.
it is lovely. Moment we've been waiting for.
Eighth floor.
Also has that jolt.
I think these things need a little bit more of a mod.
Yeah, these things need a little help. I mean, I'm guessing. I think it's this is the original controller.
No.
Yeah.
Body level.
No, but this mod was probably done 20 years ago.
Yeah. That little bit of door disease there didn't open all the way. Not sure if the camera caught that, but that's it.